The Union Cabinet recently cleared a new National Educational Policy 2020, which promises to bring major changes in the followed system of education. Welcome to Odisha Post Live. I am Tehzeeb Shakil and I will be taking you through the details of the new Educational Policy 2020. The National Educational Policy, or the NEP, is a comprehensive framework to guide the development of education in the country. The first NEP came in 1968 under Indira Gandhi, the second came in 1986 under Rajiv Gandhi, then the 1986 NEP was revised in 1992 when P.V. Narasimha Rao was Prime Minister. The NEP released on Wednesday under PM Narendra Modi is the third which replaces the 1986 NEP, which was in place for 34 years. Here are 15 major points you need to know about the National Educational Policy 2020. The 5+3+3+4 system. The 10+2 structure of school curriculum is to be replaced with the 5+3+3+4 system corresponding to ages 3 to 8, 8 to 11, 11 to 14 and 14 to 18 years respectively. This will include 12 years of schooling and 3 years of preschooling and Anganwadi. Schooling from the age of 3. Children from the age of 3 will be a part of the Early Childhood Care and Education, or ECCE. This will be delivered through various standalone Anganwadis, standalone primary schools, or Anganwadis co-located with primary schools, which will recruit workers and teachers especially trained in the curriculum of ECCE. Promoting libraries. A national book promotion policy will be formulated and extensive initiatives will be taken to ensure the availability, the accessibility, the quality and the readership of books across geographies, languages, levels and genres. Teaching up to class 5th in the mother tongue. The mother tongue or the regional language is supposed to be the medium of instructions up to class 5. However, the NEP does not make this compulsory and only recommends the usage of mother tongue as a medium of instructions. Besides, Sanskrit will be offered at all levels, while foreign languages will be offered at secondary school level. Creating Bal Bhavans. Every state or district will be encouraged to establish Bal Bhavans as a special daytime boarding to participate in art-related, career-related and play-related activities. Academic Bank of Credit. This is to be established for digitally storing academic credits earned through various HEIs so that these can later be transferred and counted towards final degree end. Academic credit will be like bank credit which a student can use to resume his education after a break, as mentioned by the Higher Education Commission. Multiple entry and exit points in the higher education. Under the 4-year program, student can exit after 1 year with a certificate, after 2 years with a diploma, after 3 years with a bachelor's degree and after 4 years with a bachelor's with research degree. The multiple entry and exit will be done through academic credit system. No UGC, AICTE or NCTE. Higher Education Commission of India will be set up as a single overarching umbrella body for entire higher education, excluding medical and legal education. Government will phase out the affiliation of colleges in 15 years and a stage-wise mechanism is to be established for granting graded autonomy to colleges. Minimum qualification for teaching. By 2030, the minimum degree qualification for teaching will be a 4-year integrated B.Ed degree. Easing of board exams. The board exams for class 10 and 12 will continue. However, they will be made easier because they primarily will be testing core capacities, competencies rather than memorization and months of coaching. Changes in report card. The report card of each student for school-based assessment will be a multi-dimensional 360-degree progress card which will reflect in great detail the uniqueness and learning capabilities of students in cognitive, affective and psychomotor domains. Foreign universities in India. Internationalization of education will be facilitated both by institutional collaborations and by student and faculty mobility. This will allow top-ranked universities to set up campuses in India. No rigid separation among streams. Under NEP 2020, there are no rigid separation between the arts and sciences. Students can choose the subject of their liking across the streams. Vocational education will start from the 6th grade and will include internships. National Educational Technology Forum. An autonomous body, the National Educational Technology Forum, will be created for the free exchange of ideas on technology to enhance learning, assessment, planning and administration. Common entrance exam for college admissions. The National Testing Agency, or the NTA, will conduct entrance examinations for admissions to universities across the country, which will be optional. The policy is a complex document which needs close scrutiny, and since it has been adopted during a pandemic and a lockdown, the necessary debate and discussions have not been possible. Although the national educational policy sounds promising, it might be too soon to judge. For more such updates, stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.